So hi everyone. Now I'm going to the Tyniec Castle, which is a castle nearby Krakow city, around 5 kilometers or from here, I think. Uh, it's a really beautiful place. So let's go. Yay! So as you can see in front of me, there is one castle. So it was actually built by one architect. He built it for himself. Later it was converted into one hotel. So it is a really beautiful hotel actually. I have been there. It's quite costly, but it has a really amazing view from there. You see this Vistula River from there. It is very luxurious. Where you can service your bicycle or you can pump some air. So on this castle there is one church as well. So that's why sometimes there are more people than expected. Look at the beautiful marble. Beautiful river. So all of this area, once upon a time, it was ruins of a castle. Now there had been a restoration. That's why it looks pretty, but it wasn't the case all the time. In a couple of photos, I saw that there is something, a big construction of wood. I don't really know what it is. Where are the guys? कुठे प्यायचं? I found one apple tree. It's right there. अशा प्रकारे ताजे ताजे निम्न क्वालिटीचे ॲपल. येस आय नो. कसं धुणार तू? हा अरे नैसर्गिक आहे रे. इथं काय तू कुठचं इथलं प्रदूषण नाही काय नाही का. लाईटली थोडीशी धूळ असावी.